Oneplus was a brand which started launching smartphones for an affordable price range. After years passed by, Oneplus is now making a flagship killer phone, which is the OnePlus 8 Pro. This phone competes with the smartphone kings like Apple, Samsung and Huawei. Let's look at some specs of this flagship killer. Display. The display of the OnePlus 8 Pro is the stunting factor of this device. This device has a 6.78-inch AMOLED display. It is made of Gorilla Glass 5, which is strong in withstanding any falls, and also this display has the capability of HDR10+. This means that it would give out the best quality content that you watch from this phone. Another stunting feature of it is that the 120Hz refresh rate. This is one of the best displays you'll have in a smartphone for a good price. Cameras. Next big upgrade for this device is the camera. All the faults with the previous OnePlus devices are now solved with this one. These cameras are almost equal to the cameras that we get on high-end devices like Samsung and Apple. The main camera has a quad camera setup which is 48 megapixel, primary wide camera, 8 megapixel, telephoto camera, 48 megapixel, ultra wide angle camera, and a 5 megapixel depth camera or a filter camera. This camera setup is promising and has a pretty good image quality. It also supports 4K at 30 or 60 frames per second video too. There is only one selfie camera with 16 megapixel wide camera. It shoots good selfies. This time they have gone with a hole punch selfie camera instead of the pop-up camera. The reason for going with the hole punch selfie camera is because they have to certify IP68 water and dust resistance. As a pop-up camera is a moving element and that wouldn't be great for the water and dust certification. Overall the camera specs looks good and many users would be satisfied with it. Battery. It has a battery capacity of 4510 mAh battery. The battery life on this device is good, it lasts for an entire day. Of course, it comes with the OnePlus's stunting fast charger in the box, which is the 30-watt warp charge technology. Now the OnePlus 8 Pro finally supports wireless charging. If you want 30-watt fast wireless charging, you have to buy OnePlus's wireless charging stand for it, as it is only capable with it, but the normal wireless charging is compatible with any wireless chargers. Memory. OnePlus devices don't come with any expandable storage and this device is no exception. It comes with 128GB storage with 8GB RAM or 256GB storage with 8GB or 12GB RAM. Out of the box, it has the new Android 10 with Oxygen OS skin, which has a smooth UI interface. Security. It has a in-display optical fingerprint scanner which is so fast and also has a less secure face unlock with the front camera. Styles. Normally OnePlus devices are best for designing their phones with the best colors. This year they have come up with 3 colors which are Glacial Green, Ultramarine Blue and Onyx Black. So the OnePlus 8 Pro is now an excellent phone which ticks all the boxes for the flagship device. But it isn't so cheap like the previous OnePlus phones. It comes at $800 and goes up according to the storage and RAM you choose. If you want a phone for the lesser price, you might want to check the OnePlus 8, which has a minor upgrade than last year models. If you are willing to buy this device, I'm pretty sure that this phone won't disappoint you. And that's it. If you like this video, like the video and share it to your friends who wish to buy the OnePlus 8 Pro, and one important thing is to subscribe to the channel for more tech related videos. So see you.